Our next startup, again, is taking waste and using heterotrophic microalgae, whatever that is, we'll learn it now, to turn waste into proteins. So I welcome the Waste to Resource unit, who are aiming to do that in a small container solution.
Thank you, Dr. Gerhard, for this kind introduction. My name is Wolf Raber, and I have the pleasure to introduce the Waste to Resource unit to you when we see the presentation, maybe. One more, yeah, right. Next slide, please. So the Waste to Resource unit is developed by an interdisciplinary team. Next slide, please. Which you see here with scientists with long-lasting experience and expertise in process engineering and biotechnology. Next slide, please. Our solution is an urban biorefinery that produces or extracts valuable chemicals from food waste and simultaneously grows microalgae and produces protein-rich biomass by that. And we all know that food is produced under high resource and labor costs, and we think, or we know, that there's more about the wastes from it than just the energetic and agricultural valorization. So our process intends to produce high value recycling materials for urban value chains. It's a modular and decentral applicable process. Next slide, please. We are very delighted to be part of this incubator program, and we hope to find assistance or guidance in the transition from a academic product to starting basically a business or preparing for it. So right now we have two promising research projects designing an industrial pilot running, and we are looking basically for classical startup consultancy on drafting the business model and IP strategy, as well how to deal with investors to generate experience there. But of utmost importance for us is to get in contact with institutions that deal with waste management, because we need your use cases to develop our solutions accordingly or to it. So to get to know the market environment and shaping our value proposition is really key step in the development phase right now for us, and what we hope for in the incubator program. So yeah, I'm very much looking forward for the contact in the following weeks with you, and I'm very impressed by the high-class Circular Valley family here. So don't hesitate to contact us in the future as well, beyond the program. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Wolf. We are likewise very much looking forward to working with you. Perhaps just let us know what happens to the proteins that you produce. So I understand that on the one hand, you're doing chemicals, but on the other hand, you're also producing proteins. Is that something which will go back into the food value chain? So something we can then eat again, or will there be additional steps between that?
Basically, the proteins are a new product, and we have also experts from the food system in the team, and we intend to target to recycle it basically in industrial processes or in the food chain. So for direct human food or feed stock for animals and these kind of, so basically to find an alternative as well for the global protein production and import chain of Germany.
Okay, fantastic. Very much looking to discussing that further.